Hello all. So now in this video we are going to start the creating the visualization. So before going to directly to the visualization, let's talk about the previously what we have done. We have seen the what is mean by Power BI and introduction and all this stuff. We have created the measures, different kind of measures which can be useful for further operations. So now creating visual is a piece of cake for us. So 90% or 80% part already has been done by us. So I must say that you should follow me step by step, that you will get a clear idea about the visualization. So now let's start. So in this video we are not going to create a whole get dashboards. So we are just importing the one image. So you can see, so here is the insert pane. Under the insert tab, so you can see the different options are here. So text box, buttons, shapes and image. So simply we are going to import the image. So I already given you image under the case study section. So if you go under the case study section, you will find that image, adventure work image. So I'll just simply click and clicked on this open. So once you open that image, you can see that image will pop up in the left corner. So you just have to adjust that image according to you. If you want to change, you can change. Once I click this image, see, so it is also matched the properties of my canvas. So background is white and this image is also white. So this image is basically a PNG image. Okay, so we have imported the image. So we'll go step by step of the visualization. I hope you understood the how to import the image.